the weights, the low resolution weights, and naively run them on a high resolution image, the positional and encodings will be misaligned. So be careful on this one when if you pick Polygamma as your project, and the model will perform significantly worse. And each checkpoint is already done interpolations. And when you pick your model, please specify the image resolution. Okay, so I think I will pause here and ask for and look for any questions. So I know there are quite a bit of slides that I have to go through. Don't worry, we will go through them in the next lesson. And I would in here take some questions if there is any questions. Okay, so in the next lesson, we will discuss about some fine-tuning strategies. So we will be quickly discuss about this in the next lesson. And okay. So Laura asks, what are any simple models that we can start with or choose from for starters? I think the simplest possible project that you can make is the tokenizer. So I've introduced the tokenizer. So I've introduced the tokenizer, I think in week 2, if I have not mistaken. So hold on a sec. Okay, so in week 2, I think this is the um the simplest one that does not include uh actual training, but is the most important one. I think you can start off with analyzing the different tokenizer, because I think tokenizer is a very important concept that everyone misses in the AI development. So most of them think they can improve the functionality of the AI model by giving it more data. But I think the real catch is that if you do not have properly tokenized, and if you have not designed properly the tokenizer, the AI agent will not work. And also, so we all talked about AI agent in this year, and if you do not have a very carefully designed tokenizer, the downwards stream of the AI development will not work efficiently. Or so I've just gave you an example about designing the token. So the image capability and the location capability of Polygamma is by feeding carefully of the special tokens as we discussed. Okay, so I think for starters, I think it is good for you to go through week 2 and understand the distribution of tokenization and how you can um, create a tokenizer in your field or in your project. Okay. I think that would be sufficient for a one semester project. If you find it too challenging, you can just run the code and see what the results. Okay, so if there are no questions, I think I will see you next week. Okay, so happy Chinese New Year and hope you have a good year ahead. So see you next week.